Okay, next class is about smart objects. Okay, what are smart objects actually? We have to understand. Smart objects are a type of container that holds multiple layers within Photoshop. Apply properties and characteristics to multiple layers, combining different tools, filters, and features. Then undo and make changes as you need to. The original image is protected. So that means what? It's a kind of a container. It holds multiple layers. That layers can be the different filters with the different filters, different features, different textures. Okay, so it holds, and then again you can undo them without losing your original picture. That can be modified, right? Let us see what it is actually. Yeah, suppose this is the image. Okay, yeah, so this is the image, and I want to apply any filter. So filters are there here. See my cursor here from Photoshop menu bar. Filter is there. So these are all the filters. Filters are like some effects, right? So these are all. Okay, we'll cover all these things about filters. I'll take another class. For timing, let's understand. Okay, suppose if you want to add any a filter to the image, let us add filter gallery from filter gallery. Okay, so this is the image, and you can add any filter from artistic. You can check this, which one it is better suits for you. You can add from artistic, or otherwise check from brush strokes, the brush strokes, and the side properties. We have some adjustments are there. To by doing some changes, it is applying. Okay, this I'll apply and say OK. Okay, so if you observe this, that filter applied directly to the image, right? So this is your image from the layer. You can off the visibility, okay, but you won't get the original image, because on the original image directly your filter effect applied. Suppose again, if you check some other filter again, let us see the sketch art or distortion, ocean ripple. Yeah, this is the ocean ripple I'm applying. This is say OK. See again. So that means what? Your effect of filter effect directly it is applying to that particular layer, right? So it is not adding as a separate layer, directly it is applying. Control Z, I'm doing Control Z, Control Z. Okay, this is my original pic. Now what I'll do, convert this image into smart object. So how to get the smart object? Select that particular layer, right click on that, and here convert to smart object. In right click, find here convert to smart object. Yes, converted. And immediately observe here, there is a small symbol it is showing, a small piece. Okay, and again I'm doing Control Z. You can observe here, this is the original image, right? Without applying smart object, this is your original image. After applying smart object, there is a symbol like here, it is appearing, right? So again I'll do that, convert to smart object. Yes, this is. That means what? By seeing this symbol, you have to understand this image, your image already convert into smart object. Okay. Now, check this one. Filter gallery. This one I will add. Okay. Okay. Fantastic. And again I'll apply one more. Select that one first. Filter and filter gallery. And I'll add some other filters. Not this one. I'll do stylize. Yeah, something like. Okay. This I'm going to apply. Okay. Okay, that filter applied, and again I want to apply one more filter gallery. And now I'll take from the textures, suppose this one. Okay, both are same, I think, look like. Okay, let us check. So this is your original image, and suppose the first one, filter gallery, you applied this one, and next this one, and this is the first one. See the eye symbol. Switch off all eye symbols, and now your original picture is visible, right? There is a visibility of your original pic. That means what? After converting your image into a smart object, whatever the textures or effects and filters you apply, so that is not directly applying to the original pic. It is as a separate layer, separate portion. It's a container like. Actually, it's not layer. Actually, it is a container, right? It's holding the multiple pieces of the properties of the same pic, right? And now see, one by one on this one, this is the first one, and this is the second one, and this is the third one. Okay, so what is the benefit of this? Sometimes what you want to show this pic to the customer without applying filters, with applying filters. Okay, and suppose this is the pic without any filters. Client will understand or customer will understand. Then after adding all these things, he'll understand what you are adding, how the difference is between these two, before and after, right? So this is the main the benefit. Okay, and the one more thing I'll explain. You observe clearly here. If you update this one, update means, suppose here, see here the smart object symbol it is showing, right? So double click on that, you entered into original pic. See here, you're not showing now your smart object symbol. By double clicking that, you are entered into actual original pic. This time it is not showing any a symbol. That means this is your original pic. Here, if you do any updates, any changes here, changes means let us say here, with ellipse tool, I'll add some mask effect. Okay, I do some mask effect. Okay, so how to do masks, vector mask, layer mask and clipping mask, already I explained that. You can refer my the previous videos, right? Okay, if you have any doubt. Then after that, what I'm applying that mask here, mask is added. Okay, so then what you do, This is your actual uh, original pic, and try to delete. Suppose here I am deleting this one. What it is saying, save changes to the Adobe Photoshop document layer 0 PSB before closing. It is asking, you want to save any changes, because what changes are made here. After applying all the effects, double click on that smart object. When you entered into original one, on original one we added something, edited anything, any editor. After editing that, we are trying to close. Then it is asking, you want to save this changes or not. Yes, I want to save. Yes. Now see, these effects are already applied to this image. See all this. You can add here any background. Let us say this one. Alt backspace. Okay. Then what I'll do? Many times you can add any changes. Suppose here. See now. See this smart object symbol and double click here. So he entered already into that. Then here you can add any text here and say something, greetings. Okay, I'll change the font. Yeah, this one. We'll add some different text. Let us say a white. Okay, Control T, transform tool. Okay, now second editing is the text. The first editing is your vector mask added. Here the text we are adding. Now again try to remove this one. Again it is asking, you want to add the changes before closing or not. If you say no, this won't, cannot apply to that, right? So say yes. Now see, wonderful. So what are the updates you give, automatically it is attacking. And again one more update. Suppose here, draw anything, whatever it is. Greetings. Something like with pen shape, I'll create something. Any update. Yeah. Try to remove this one and say yes. So automatically it is adding to your the smart object layer, right? So these are the things, but I don't want this one, just add it for timing. Okay, this I want, right? Next, again if you try to close, it is asking, you want to save or not. Save, yes, right? So this is, the smart objects are very, very important actually. Again we understand smart objects are a type of container that holds multiple layers within Photoshop. So apply properties and characteristics to the multiple layers, combining different tools, filters and features. Then undo and make changes as you need to. The original image is protected. So that is this, right? So this is the class. So for today, small one, but we have to understand smart object, what is smart object and the benefit of the smart object, right? The next class I'll explain